Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can get a completely translucent taskbar. So instead of having a taskbar like this that has the black color, it will be completely transparent and you'll see your wallpaper. To begin, we want to open up the Microsoft Store and search up translucent, and you should see translucent TB. Now we're going to open this, and as you can see from me, I already have this downloaded. If you give me a moment, it will load up any second. So until it loads up, here are some examples. As you can see, the taskbar is completely invisible. You can only see by the desktop. So the wallpaper behind, there is no color taskbar. It's completely invisible, just the app icons. So you're gonna want to press on install, and it should be installed any second. Afterwards, I already have it installed, so I'm gonna open up Translucent TB. And once you give it a second to load up, as you can see, it will open, but it will be in your taskbar like so. I'm gonna press on this, desktop, and clear. So now, you guys didn't notice anything different because my background is black, but let me change my background real quick. Okay, so as you can see, I've changed my background, and as you can see, it's completely transparent here. So you can see the photo even on your taskbar, just the app icons are right here. Now this will look very clean and minimalistic, and I think it's a great app to use, and it doesn't use that much CPU usage. However, if you aren't looking for just a clear style, there are multiple styles here. So for desktop, you can choose clear, opaque, which is the normal, which is literally the same thing, blur, which will blur it out like this, which I think is quite a valid option, and acrylic. Alongside that, let me put this to clear. For a visible window, so once we have a window open, as you can see for us, visible window, press enable, and we can make it clear or anything. So once a visible window is open, I'm gonna disable this real quick for me. Now for a maximized window, once again, blur, which is this example, I can make it clear, and there you go, it's clear. But for me, I like blur, so let's make it blur. For start opened, it will be clear once again. Hold on. But we can make it blurred, which actually I will do. So blur, and as you can see, it gets blurred. For search opened, we can do the same thing. And for task view opened, I don't think many of you use this, but you can. And if you are on a laptop, you can choose battery saver and choose the one you want. Now there are some advanced options, but I recommend to not touch any of these. And if you want to know even more about this application, you can simply go to the tips and tricks. However, if you feel like you don't want to use this, you simply have to press on exit, and as you can see, it's completely back to normal. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to press that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.